By choosing Hauschild, you're not just buying a SpeedMixer, you're gaining a partner.
My name is Mareike Bokkola and I'm the owner of Hauschild SpeedMixer, and I also happen to be the Vice President of Marketing and Communication. I'm the successor of my father, who actually founded and invented this company 50 years back.
Hey, my name is Uli Schmidt, and I'm the inventor of the SpeedMixer, or this machine you see beside the small machine before. And I started the business in 1974.
We are based out of Germany, where I'm sitting today. Our headquarters is in Hamm, in the northern part of Germany, but we're actually very, very globally active, meaning we have distributors all over the world.
The most amazing part of Hauschild is the product, the SpeedMixer, because the technician, how it works, is absolutely mind-blowing. And this combined with the family-owned business, how people are treated here is fantastic.
I'm Fabio Bokkola. I'm the CEO of Hauschild Engineering since January 2015. I joined the company in 2013. What makes it unique is the fact that it mixes very fast. You can repeat the test and replicate the same result with a high precision, and they never break. They never break, they are safe. They are extremely safe. We call it here the wow effect, meaning that both when we go and show the machine to the customers, they see what the machine can do and say, wow. And that's what makes our day. That's what really gives us the motivation to continue. That's our best reward.
Hauschild SpeedMixer.
Hauschild SpeedMixer.
Hauschild SpeedMixer.
Hauschild SpeedMixer, the only SpeedMixer you will ever need.